Hey beauties, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited because this is a full face of drugstore makeup. I use a lot of high-end products usually, and I thought it'd be fun to go through my collection and pick out some amazing, affordable products that you can get at your local Walmart or wherever you shop. We've got products from Catrice, Wet n Wild, CoverGirl, Elf, Milani, and much more. So if you want to see some products that you can get at an affordable price, then this is the video for you. Alright, so to start, I'm going to go in with the Pixie Beauty Glow Tonic. This one is personalized with my name. They did send it to me. A little bit on a cotton piece. This just leaves the skin feeling so nice and clean. I do it right after I wash my face. Kind of has like a little bit of that tingling sensation at first, but it goes away, and I find it just preps my skin for the primers and everything else that's coming. Now that that has had a minute to soak into my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Elf Cookies and Dreams Putty Primer. I really enjoy the Elf Putty Primers. I think they do a fantastic job at blurring out your pores and just prepping your skin for makeup. And this one smells so good. It's not like an overpowering scent. It's pretty strong, but it's not overly powering, and it's just sweet, and it smells like cookie dough. So good. For concealer, I'm gonna do concealer first because I am going in with a powder foundation. So I don't know if I want to use the Elf Hydrating Camo Concealer, which I absolutely love, or the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I don't know. We're gonna stick with Elf for the base products, I think, because we're gonna use the Elf Powder Foundation, which I'm so excited. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this right under my eyes where I've got some bags, and kind of where I would naturally put the lighter parts. Does this have a mirror? Ooh, it does. Okay, I'm gonna use that. It has a mirror. Because it's a powder foundation, I don't think I want to use too much of this. I don't know how it's going to react with each other. So let's just blend this out. Just gonna use my foundation brush because it's a little bit thicker here, and just blend that in. All right, now for the foundation. I'm super excited about this. I know it's old news for everyone, but I was finally able to get my hands on it, and it is the Elf Camo Powder Foundation. Mine is in the shade Light 280N. Comes with a large mirror. That is the shade. Underneath, it has a little sponge. So I guess first things first, we're gonna try it with the sponge, and then I also have a brush and one of my other just beauty blender items that I use. So first we're gonna try it with this. Let's zoom in though. So I'm just going to, I don't know how much I'm supposed to get on. Okay. It looks like it might be a little dark. That little bit is spreading quite a long ways though. Let's get some more on there. Make my eyelids and everything the same color. Down my neck. Huh. Actually, you know, it looks really nice on the skin. Let's see, just using the little sponge that was included. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe foundation brush on this side and see how it goes using a brush. I like it better with a sponge. Now I just want to try it with my beauty blender that I use. It's not beauty blender, it's a cheap version of it. I don't remember what brand it is though. I think I'm gonna keep using the one it came with. Covers a good section of the face, so it gets the job done pretty quickly, and just, I don't know, this one is working for me. The one that it came with. I don't typically use powder foundations, so I hope this works out. I don't want to look powdery. Get it in my hairline there. Just want to make sure my neck is all the same color. Alright, so this is one layer of the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. So far, I think it's sitting on the skin very well. Super impressed for it being a powder foundation, which I don't typically go for. We'll see how everything builds up on it. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in Sunset Striptease. This really is a beautiful bronzer, and it's just like $3 I think I paid for it, so. You don't have to worry about having a really heavy hand with this. It is very buildable though. It goes on light, which is good for people who are just starting, and then it builds up beautifully. For blush, we're going in with the Milani Baked Powder Blush. This is in shade Rose. This is such a beautiful baked blush. It has the most gorgeous sheen to it. Underneath there is a little brush that it comes with. I don't use that. Gorgeous. For highlighter, we're going to use the Catrice More Than a Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Supreme Rose Beam. This highlighter, that was just a couple of dollars, gives a lot of my high-end highlighters a run for their money. Watch this. Do you guys see that? I know you do. Look at the glow. I am going to set all of these powders into my skin now, just because I want them to kind of like meld in together. To do that, I'm going to use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Kiwi Watermelon Scented Setting Spray. This stuff smells so good. This stuff smells like the Glow Recipe watermelon one, but it's a fraction of the price. I find it does actually help make your makeup last. For eyebrows, I'm gonna use 2 products. The first one is from Hard Candy. It is just this Marilyn Monroe eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. I'm not wearing any glasses, so I'm going to just skip this part and I'll be back with some eyebrows because I gotta stand up close to the mirror and do this. All right, brows are on. I seen this from CoverGirl. This is the True Naked That's Rad New and Improved palette. We don't need that. Look at these shades. I just want to swatch a couple of them here. The pigment there is amazing. Okay, I'm super excited now. I'm going to start with this light purple shade, I think. And I'm going to use that as my crease shade. Now I'm going to take this awesome teal turquoise shade on a smaller, denser brush. And I'm going to start packing this right in there. All right, I want to smoke this out a bit. So I'm going to go in with that super black shade. I just want to build up the outer corner, give it some depth. For all over the lid, I'm going to start with the shiny teal color, and then I'm going to go in with the shiny purple, and then the shiny white for the inner corner. I'm just using my fingers for these shades. Sorry, is that mirror too high? Now the shiny purple. Ooh, that one's really pretty. All right, I do have some fallout. I'm going to sweep away here. I think the shades are gorgeous though. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Big Papa. I just love the name of it, Big Papa. It has the brush wand that I do like. That's one coat. 2 coats, I think it looks great. Take this out of my hair. I hate having my bangs pinned back like that, it looks so funny. This is what everything is looking like. The foundation is sitting on the skin beautifully. You can see that my eyes look just as great as if I used a really, really expensive eyeshadow palette. I mean, look at those colors. As for the foundation wear test part of this video, it is currently 11:18 in the morning. My whole face is on. I will be back with a check-in in a few hours and we'll see how everything is still sitting. All right, you guys, it's been a few hours. It is now 12 minutes after 2. So it's been pretty much 3 hours since I've had the foundation on my face. Let me remove my spectacles here, grab a mirror, and then we'll zoom you in and have a closer look. I think now, actually, that my skin has had some time for its natural oils to start coming through this foundation. It is looking so good. I was honestly a little nervous about the powder foundation. Whatever e.l.f. did though, they knocked it out of the park. I think it looks fantastic. It might end up being my new favorite foundation for quick, easy, on the go, let's do this kind of thing, because it was really quick, especially using the sponge it came with to apply it. That's only 3 hours though. We are going to come back in a few more hours and we'll see. We'll see. All of the other products are also holding on very well. The eyes, the highlighter is just beaming. You guys really don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. We are here with the last check-in of the night. It is now 7:23. So we've had this drugstore affordable makeup on for 8 hours. I think it is looking really well. Let me grab a mirror. I think it definitely looked better once my natural oils kind of started coming through that foundation. For a powder foundation, guys, I am so stoked. I think it looks fabulous. And this is after 8 hours. This has performed better than some of my high-end liquid foundations, which is super cool. Anyways, that is the end of this video. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more amazing, affordable options, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already a part of the Men's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? Head down there, hit subscribe. Also, turn on that notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload all my new videos. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.